Hello, you're looking at a 2012 F350 Lariat. It is a one owner, has 176,000 miles, 6.7 liter turbo diesel, 20-inch wheels. It's got great tires on it. FX4 off-road package, has the original window sticker, $62,000. It's in really great shape, runs and drives great. Remote start. Very clean truck. Take a look inside. The rear seats look like they've never really been sat in ever. It's got a nice heavy duty floor mat. One there, rear AC. It's heavy duty floor mats. Seats in good shape. Just a couple little minor wear spots. Adjustable pedals, tilt wheel, audio and cruise control. Navigation, heated and cooled seats, tow brake controller, 4x4 of course. Backup camera. It runs and drives great. It's been taking care of its whole life. Power rear sliding window. This truck does not look like it has 176 on it. Turbo boost properly, no turbo line. Power folding mirrors. Both of them work as they should. That's about it. If you have any questions on it, give me a call. Be happy to help you out.